Let's dive into the question and explore the detailed explanation behind it. Question: what is one advantage of using a method? Options: A. Cannot be compiled. B. Cannot be used. C. Makes programs tough. D. Reused. The correct answer is D. Reused. Let's dive into the explanation. Methods in programming are powerful tools that enhance efficiency and maintainability. They are reusable blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. By writing a method once, developers can call it multiple times without duplicating the code. This brings several advantages. Modularity. Programs can be divided into smaller, manageable pieces, improving clarity and organization. Reduced redundancy. Common logic encapsulated in methods avoids repetitive coding. Easier maintenance. When a method needs an update or fix, the change applies universally, wherever it's called. Take an example: a method calculating the area of a circle. Instead of writing the formula every time it's needed, developers can create a single method and reuse it across the application. This not only saves time, but also reduces errors. Another benefit is consistent logic. If a bug is found and corrected within a method, all parts of the application using that method benefit from the fix. This aligns perfectly with the DRY principle, which stands for don't repeat yourself, emphasizing the importance of reducing repetition in code.